Hello and welcome to another update video on gold. Yeah, on the gold chart we can see that the market has dipped so far in only 3 waves. We do not have a 5-wave decline. It's only a 3-wave decline. So that means the door to higher prices is open as long as we stay above $3,277. So I've added a Fibonacci support area. I can tell you that the move to the upside, I can interpret it as a 3-wave move. This is sort of what we talked about over the last few days, right? The problem is nothing is really giving me the impressions of an impulsive decline. So as I said, if the move down is really unfolding as per the white scenario, by the way, this is not bearish. This is just part of a corrective pullback, which should then lead us to, again, still higher prices. But if we really decline, then it's likely an ending diagonal. So whenever we're dealing with an ending diagonal, be prepared for changes. The thing is, this decline was in 3 waves. Yeah? The move up can be interpreted as a 3-wave move as well. But then this dip, again, at least I'd like to see a 5-wave move down to confirm further the idea that this is just a corrective rally. So because I haven't seen that, there is no 5-wave decline, but only a 3-wave decline. I think the, what I would call alternative scenario in green, the bullish case, the directly bullish case, has at least increased in likelihood. Now, it's not like you could give it like percentages or something, that doesn't work, but I can tell you that based on what I see right now, it has increased in likelihood. But I would want to see on Monday if we get some additional upside momentum to maybe assign a higher probability to the green scenario, the directly bullish count. Yeah. Reminder, bullish count, wave 1 up into the swing high from the 15th of June, corrective pullback, and maybe now another 1-2 setup. So that would mean if this is true, then from this region, a 3rd wave could take us higher. And that again might be another wave 1 of maybe a larger degree 5th wave or something. But this is sort of the bullish count. Bullish is probable, you could say, or at least plausible, as long as we're holding this Fibonacci support area. I didn't want to move it. Between 3,277 and 3,328. The invalidation point is this, the red line at 3,249. So I can tell you with only 3 waves down, I do not really see anything clearly bearish right now. To really confirm a top, we would need 5 waves down, and we haven't seen that. Therefore, based on this structure, I would now need to see a break below 3,277, followed by a break below that red line to really give us further clear confirmation that the bears are, let's say, leading here. Yeah. For now, my view is kind of unchanged, that we're here in an overall range. I mean, you can see it here. This is a big correction that's currently playing out. There is a potential that we're already in a breakout as per the green scenario, in which the correction already completed here on the 15th of May. This is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and we're breaking out. But I would still, at the moment, call it just the alternative scenario. I just see too much corrective movement up and down. And yeah, it's just not clearly bullish yet to me. As I showed you before, this rally to me looks more like a 3-wave move up here from the 15th of May low. And therefore, there is just a potential that we're just still in a correction. But if we don't break down immediately, then either, yes, we could be in a breakout. I don't fully believe it yet. Or this entire correction becomes much more complex, which will be very, very challenging to navigate. Basically, what it means is maybe a triangle is unfolding, or some much more complex form of a correction. But I think in the very short term, the focus is on this support zone for next week, and then also the last swing high at 3,377. Because if we break above this swing high, we could indeed be in an internal 3rd wave, and the focus would then shift to the next swing high that formed there on the 16th of June at around 3,477. So that gives you all the relevant levels for next week. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to check out our stocks membership. You can find the link in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.